guys, so today we are fixing an LG washing machine. The problem with the LG washing machine is that it produces an AE error, and that is caused by maybe overflow or leakage in the washing machine. So the first bit you have to do, you start with the small diagnosis, which is first you put it in the and try it out. If it's showing AE error, first you go to the bottom of the washing machine and check if there is water inside there. If there is water, go and wipe all the water and make sure it's dry. There is a sensor there, around sensor with styrofoam that trips if water enters inside the sensor, which brings about the AE error. If that doesn't work, now we'll go to the second step, which is this machine which I'm fixing. I dried all the water to check if it works. Tested again, but it was still showing AE error. So I took out the multimeter and put on the continuity test, and it's still when I measured the resistance, it was still beeping even after drying the sensor. So I replaced the sensor and tested then, and the problem was fixed. So if the problem is fixed, that does not mean the machine is okay, because we have to know first where the water came from. So the error always shows that there is something wrong inside the washing machine that causes the washing machine to leak water to the bottom of the washing machine. So I diagnosed the washing machine, took out the top part and checked, because it has a dryer. I checked the joints of the pipe, and surely there was one joint which was loose that caused all that mess. The joint, when the dryer was working, it sipped some water which trickled down the bottom of the washing machine. So I tightened the joint, checked, confirmed the balance. Also the balance of the washing machine can bring about that, such that when it wiggles so much and water is splashed through the draining valve of the door seal, it will bring about that AE error. Yeah. Also wet flow. If the floor is wet and too much of moisture or humidity, sometimes it can cause that AE error. Yeah. So I took out all the machine, the sensor at the bottom of the machine, dried it out, changed the sensor switch. It's just a certain switch with a styrofoam. When waters enter, the styrofoam lifts up, triggering the switch, which causes the AE error. So after fixing all that, I advised the customer on what to do. Next time, make sure everything is always dry as much as possible. So for these and many other videos, like, follow and share. I'll be giving you tips and answering all questions that you require about electronics. Comment if you have any questions. Yeah, I'm always available so much. Thanks, guys.